Are you looking for the best portable laptop stand? In this video we will look at some of the best portable laptop stand on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. N86 Laptop Stand. Laptop stand for desk 360 degrees rotatable, 2-axis connecting with the base, makes the rotation more flexible, allows you to swivel your laptop to any angle. It is very suitable for sharing content in meetings or communication. This foldable laptop stand could be adjustable in height and angle of your laptop, raising your laptop screen height flexibly from 1.18 inches to 21 inches, for your better ergonomics to minimize neck fatigue, say goodbye to neck pains. The office computer stand is made of high-quality thickened aluminium, and the larger turntable base can support 22 pounds, 10 kilograms, which are more stable and sturdier without worrying about any wobbling at all. The rubber on the holder hand is firmly stuck to protect your laptop from scratching and sliding off. The laptop riser rotary plate adopts an open hollow design which can enhance the air circulation to achieve the best heat dissipation effect. Solve the concern of the weakened heat dissipation performance due to your long playing use of computer. Number 2. Foldable Laptop Holder 360 Rotatable Tablet Stand. Our laptop stand with 360 degrees rotating base can rotate freely and smoothly within 360 degrees. Share your results with those around you at any time. It is a good helper for live streaming and a good choice for meetings. The laptop riser supports up and down height adjustment, can be adjusted at any time between 0-90 degrees, will keep the computer and your eyes at the same height, can reduce eye fatigue, make the working environment more comfortable. Foldable design makes the computer stand easy to carry, having it make your desktop arrangement more tidiness and gives more space. When you go out you can fold it flat and put it in your backpack, extremely convenient. Suitable for office, home and travel use. This laptop holder shelf for desk feature a metal heat conducting alloy and a ventilated hollow design to effectively help dissipate heat from the computer and prevent overheating. Built-in multiple rubber pads. The rubber pads protect your laptop or tablet from scratches, as well as keep it in place without sliding. Number 3. Adjustable Laptop Desk Stand. Simply adjust the leg height to work more comfortably while sitting or standing. This adjustable laptop desk stand is designed to be used as a laptop stand, standing desk, tablet stand, and lap desk for use on the bed, sofa, or table. The anti-slip rubber pad on the computer stand keeps the laptop from slipping while not harming the laptop's case. The CPU fans are powered by a USB cable. One fan's work. The upgraded design enhances the wind power. The fan blades are used to run at a high speed to achieve fast ventilation and no noise. Quickly solve the computer high temperature problem, and protect your computer from harm. Laptop stand for desk. A desk laptop stand is made of lightweight, high-strength aluminium tray and 6 adjustable ABS plastic auto-locking joints. An extra anti-slip clip on the laptop table tray is designated to clamp the stuff in place. It fits well and performs better for up to 17 inches in all MacBooks, notebooks, tablets, and laptops. This portable laptop table holder is easy to set up and put into your backpack or briefcase wherever you are working, in the office or at home. It is very convenient to carry on business trips, so that you can travel lightly. Number 4. Foldable Laptop Holder Stand. The bracket adopts a 3-layer foldable design. The top layer can accommodate a laptop tablet within 17 inches. The middle baffle layer can accommodate a mobile phone. The bottom panel can accommodate a keyboard, mouse, headset, etc. to beautify your desktop. The 3-axis is adjusted by 360 degrees stepless angle. The screw buckle is more compact and firm. The angle can be adjusted flexibly and the use is stable. The thick aluminium alloy double pole structure with a load bearing of 10 kg ensures that the bracket will not shake from left to right when typing while it is raised. The rotary laptop bracket is made of thickened aluminium alloy. The thickened and widened contact panel has high hardness and smooth edges, which can protect the computer from scratches. A durable, widened, non-slip silicone pad, tray plus bottom, is provided to ensure a close connection with the desktop, and to stabilize your laptop in place without fear of shaking and slipping. It can be used as a lifter to raise the laptop screen to your sight level. Whether you are standing or sitting on the computer, it can effectively relieve neck or back pain caused by using the computer for a long time. Whether working at home or in your office, it will solve all your posture problems. It can be folded in the backpack and carried to the coffee shop, office or travel, outdoors and wherever you go. Hollow heat dissipation design, good heat dissipation performance. The aluminium itself has the heat absorption function, which helps to naturally reduce the temperature of the laptop. The hollow design provides more space for airflow, which can effectively dissipate heat and prevent the computer from overheating, prevent the computer from crashing and cool down your equipment. Number 5. Laptop stand for desk. Foldable MacBook Pro. Laptop stand, support laptop bracket, notebook stand, notebook support, laptop holder, MacBook stand, portable support, laptop accessories, laptop holder, aluminium laptop base, laptop computer stand, computer support, portable laptop stand, aluminium notebook support, MacBook holder, support PC portable, stand for laptop, base for laptop, laptop stand, aluminium, PC support, MacBook Air accessories, MacBook accessories, support portable notebook base, desk notebook stand, base laptop, aluminium laptop stand, support PC, portable base for laptop, support MacBook, notebook holder, computer bracket, laptop stand, computer accessories, MacBook support, foldable laptop stand,